Okay, see question number 31. Let A be a 3 by 3 invertible matrix. Invertible matrix means determinant A is not equal to 0. Okay, that we know very well. If that is equal to 0 means there is no point in doing this question. Why? Because both sides determinant are available. If see determinant of adjoint of 24A, observe carefully, 24A. Determinant of adjoint of 3 times of adjoint of 2A. These two are equal. Then what is the value of determinant of A square? Like they are asking. Okay, just now we have seen adjoint of determinant of adjoint A. What we are going to write? Determinant of adjoint A is there. Then here 3 by 3 matrix is there. That is why even though I will write like this, n minus 1. But here determinant of A square will come. Why? 3 by 3 matrix means n is going to become 3 minus 1 2. Okay, this is the formula. But this is formula we have to apply here accordingly. See, I am taking LHS and RHS separately. First I will take LHS. LHS is equal to, you see, determinant of adjoint of 24A, determinant of adjoint of, you see, now you go back, see, determinant of adjoint of means automatically, you see, you consider this 24A as A, adjoint A, 24A has become A, that means here what we have write, 24A power 3 by 3 matrix, that is why 2 you have to write. Understand? Okay? Now you see, this is still inside the determinant. If you want to bring it outside the determinant, what you are going to do? For 3 by 3 matrix. As you can see, 24 into 24 into 24, you have to do like this. Understand? Then only, why? Because see, 2A if you want to bring outside, what will happen here? 2 cube into determinant A. Why? Because see, 2, first column, second column, third column, all you have to take out. Okay? That means see, whatever the number is there for 3 by 3 matrix, you have to cube it. Okay? Now see how I am writing this. 24 cube we have taken outside, but determinant already power square is there. That means see, whole power square. Determinant of A square. Understand? Like say for A only square, but for 24 cube power square. What will happen this? 24 power 6, 3 into 6, determinant of A square. This is LHS. LHS finished. Your LHS finished. Now go for RHS. Okay, that is LHS. Why? Because finally we will equate both. Now come back again. RHS I am writing. RHS is a little bit typical, but observe carefully. Determinant of adjoint of 3 times of again adjoint of 2A, double bracket, determinant is equal to. Now once again you see, adjoint of A, you consider 3 times of adjoint of A as A. What will happen? Determinant of 3 times of adjoint of 2A, whole to the power of square. Is it correct? First you see what I have written. Why? Because see, one adjoint you have to remove, determinant A square. Why? Because 3 by 3 matrix we are dealing. That is why square we are keeping. Okay? One adjoint I have removed, remaining all I have written, determinant I have put, and square I have written. Is it okay? Okay. Now you tell me, 3 is inside the determinant. 3 cube square you have to take out. 3 cube whole square. 3, why? Because inside the determinant this is 3 cube, 3 by 3 matrix, 3 cube whole square. Okay, again you write the adjoint of 2A, determinant, but see for this entire again square is there. Okay, within one step it is not going to come, little bit tricky this is. See 3 power 6, 3 into 2, 3 power 6 into, again adjoint of 2A whole square. You see, that square you have to keep aside. Why? Because see, here square is not there. If square is there, again you have to square. But without the square, what will come? Adjoint of 2a means determinant of 2a. Okay, determinant of 2a square will come. Determinant of 2a square will come, but another square is there. Okay, see, this is adjoint. You have removed adjoint, that is why determinant of 2a square, but this square is also there. Okay, write down. That is equal to, see, 3 power 6 you keep like this only. See, if you want to bring outside 2 cube power 4. Determinant of a power 4. Understand? Finally, what is this? This is 3 power 6, 2 power 12. Determinant of a to the power of 4. This is complete RHS, that's all. Now you equate both. LHS is equal to RHS. Write down. LHS is equal to RHS implies, write down, 24 power 6. Determinant of a square is equal to 3 power 6, 2 power 12. Determinant of a to the power of 4. See, this completely divide this. Here 2 will come. Okay. Now see what I want to write. Determinant of a square is equal to, you send this denominator, 24 power 6 divided by 3 power 6, 2 power 12. Okay. See, you want this only, determinant of a square only, but this little bit modification you have to do. See what I want to write. 24 can I split 8 into 3? Why? Because see, when power is same inside, you can multiply. 8 power 6 into 3 power 6 is equal to 24 power 6 divided by 2 power 12 into 3 power 6. Completely 3 power 6 you cancel out. Again you write this. Okay, see, 2 power 3 into 6. 2 cube is 8 divided by 2 power 12, that is equal to 2 power 18 minus 12, that is equal to 2 power 6. Is this the answer, you see? Okay, let us go for next question.